Hello my friends. Let's talk today about lace, doilies, and runners for furniture and tables. I'm going to try to make today doily for this table that has a smaller area surface, and a runner for this buffet. I have a couple of laces right here. This one has a really pretty design, but it's not circular, and the thickness of it is important too. You don't want something too chunky because then it wouldn't be to the scale that we want. This one is concentric. It has a smaller circle here for a smaller scale, bigger and yet bigger. For this table, I think this is the one that I'm going to use, and it's very thin. My local craft store can sell me as little as I want, so it practically was nothing. I also have here a piece of fabric that is lace, and this is what I'm going to be using for the runner. So for a very, very small table, I would just cut the smaller circle. By the way, I also bought very fine yarn to crochet the doily. And if you are interested in seeing the step-by-step instructions on how to do that, please let me know. I don't want to post it if you guys are not interested. This is actually kind of a cheating way of doing it, but at the end, the result, it's just as pretty. It really depends on what you want to do with your dollhouse. And finally, for the foot runner, I am going to select this area right here and follow the lines to create my long rectangle. Okay, so from this piece of lace, we have this little doily. It's not perfectly round, and it's a little bit thick, but it's all up to you what you decide. So on a table, for the coffee table, we use this lace, and this is our doily. This is my favorite. But if you have a smaller scale, from the same lace, I got the center piece and ended up with this. From the big piece of lace, we got several pieces. For the piano, we selected this strip. And for the buffet, from the same lace, by just selecting a different strip, this is so pretty too. Okay, and in between, there are little pieces that can be used for an even smaller scale, like 1/24. Look at how tiny that is. Okay, it all depends on what you like best. So how is this for a 3-minute craft? So easy, and yet it enhances the look of your dollhouse. Do let me know if you want me to post a tutorial for the actually crocheted doilies. And I thank you very much for watching. Have a nice day.